My name is Mrs. Tolf, and I am going to share with you a game I call SWAT. It's a fun flashcard game and can be played with really any flashcards, with math, literacy, science, really anything that you'd like to learn or practice. And it can be quite competitive if you play with more than one person. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how to play SWAT. First, you're going to make some flashcards of any choice. I happen to use one from another game I was playing with, working on the long A sound with AI and AY. But really, you can play with anything, or you can focus with these words and just look for beginning sounds. It's up to you. You also need a fly swatter or something to point with. It can be a yardstick or the end of a hanger if you'd like. Whatever you'd like, you can play with more than one people and make it competitive if you'd like as well. With the game of SWAT, you just take turns calling out a word, reading it, and then the other person tries to find it as quickly as they can. For example, if I say pail, the other person would try to SWAT it and find pail. Or you could say wait, and they would quickly try to SWAT it. You can keep practicing and see how fast you get, and see also if you have more than one person to see who gets that word first. Have fun playing the game of SWAT. Good luck!